Hi friends! Today we're going to go over our lesson for hot cross buns. If you look right here, the pitches we are learning are G, A, B. Remember, G is on the second line. Every good, as in every good burger deserves fries. And it is 3 fingers covered with the thumb hole covered, just like you see over here. And A is on the second space, right here, with 2 fingers and your thumb, as you can see from the picture here. And a B is on the top line. There's on the third line, and it has just the top finger. Okay? The first thing we're going to do is we're going to sing and finger our way through small chunks of the song. Now, the first chunk of the song we're going to do are the first 2 measures. A measure is this little space of time right here and right here. So we're going to do these first 2 measures, and we're going to sing and finger them. So that would look like this. B, A, G, rest, rest. Now I did exactly what I did because the first note is a B. I sang it. A is the second note. G is the third note. And I just added those fingers. Let's try it again together. Ready? Sing and finger. B, A, G, rest, rest. Great. Let's play that now. 1, 2, ready, play. Rest, rest. Great job. Guess what? The next 2 measures are just as easy. It's the same exact thing again. So let's sing and finger the entire first line. Here we go. Let's sing and finger it. 1, 2, sing and finger. Here we go. B, A, G, rest, rest. B, A, G, rest, rest. Let's play that now. 1, 2, ready, play. Rest, rest. Rest, rest. Now, the rhythm on the B, A, and the G is a half note. It gets 2 beats. So we sang B, A, G, rest, rest. Now, the rhythm down here on this next note is a quarter note or a ta. It gets 1 beat. So we have ta, 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 1, 2, 3, 4. Because we have a time signature right over here that tells us that there are 4 beats in a measure, and a quarter note gets 1 beat. So that's what we're counting. Quarter note gets 1 steady beat. So if we're going B, A, G, rest, rest. B, A, G, rest, rest. This next part can only go this fast if we're keeping a good steady beat. G, 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 A, 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 B, A, G, rest, rest. One more time, let's sing and finger here, starting on the second line. Here we go. G, 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 A, 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 B, A, G, rest, rest. Remember when we get over here to the last 3 half notes, 2 of these quarter notes are the same length or take as much time as 1 half note. So these have to be longer than these notes over here. Let's play the second line. 1, 2, ready, play. And this is a half rest over here, which is like a half note. It's 2 beats of rest. So that's why we say rest, rest. So we're going to go back and we're going to sing and finger our way through this entire song one time. And then we're going to play it. Here we go. Sing and finger all the way through. 1, 2, sing, finger. B, A, G, rest, rest. B, A, G, rest, rest. G, 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 A, 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 B, A, G, rest, rest. All right, now let's play it. 1, 2, keep the steady beat. Rest, rest. Rest, rest. Rest, rest. And hopefully you could hear me patting the steady beat with myself while I played to kind of help you feel it as you're playing too. Great. So in our next video, we're going to practice playing it with the accompaniment that came in there. Remember, this is a half note, gets 2 beats. This is a quarter note, it gets 1 beat. A B is on the 3rd line, right here. An A is on the 2nd space. A G is on the 2nd line. And this little hat looking thing, here's also what it looks like, is a half rest, like a half note, gets 2 beats. Remember, this thing at the beginning is a time signature. It tells you how much time, how much space is in each measure and what the steady beat is going to be. There are 4 beats in each measure, and a quarter note gets 1 steady beat.